Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you amazing Windows 11 customization for 2026. If you want your desktop to look modern, clean and stylish, you are going to love this setup. We will customize the start menu, taskbar and the entire desktop to give your Windows 11 a fresh and stunning new look. This setup is simple, minimal and perfect for everyone who love a beautiful workspace. I will show you the tools, modes and simple tweaks that make your Windows 11 feel completely different for the default style. Don't worry, everything is easy to follow and you can do it step by step. By the end of this video, your Windows 11 look unique, element and much more enjoyable to use every day. Thank you so much for watching this Windows 11 customization video. I hope you enjoyed the start menu taskbar and desktop makeover for 2026. If you like this setup, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more amazing Windows 11 customization. Let me know in the comments that customization you want to see next. See you in the next video.